Friends, good morning to all of you. I am Chandan sir. I am a mathematics teacher. Listen, we are going to start coordinate geometry of chapter 3 of standard 9th. All of you are listening this exercise, this chapter very carefully. Just think about that. What is the topic related to this one? The topic is only and only related to the geometry. Look at there. Why this chapter is made? What is the purpose of this chapter? Means what is the importance of this chapter? Just think about that. When we are going to read the coordinate geometry, it is used to only represent the exact position of any type of point or any type of object. Then we can say about that what is coordinate geometry. We can say about that coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics. Coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics in which we learn how to find out the exact position, exact location of any point or any type of object. Understood? I am repeating again. Coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics. Coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics in which we learn how to find out the exact position or location of any point or object. Look at there. If we are going to find out the position of anyone, if we are asking any type of question related to a person, like where do you live? If you are asking where do you live, any type of person is saying that, means Sam is being asked from Ram that where do you live? Clear? Location. Live means location. So just think about that. If Ram is asking from the Sam, clear? Sam is saying that I live in universe. Is that right or wrong answer? It is the right answer. Just think about that. If he is saying that he lives in world, it is also right answer or wrong answer? Right answer. If he is saying that he is living in Asia continent, clear? It is right or wrong? That is also right. He is saying that he is living in India country, clear? It is also right answer. If he is saying that he is living in Bihar state, clear? This is right or wrong? That is right, clear? If this is saying that he is living in East Champaran, that is also a right answer, clear? After that, he is saying that if he is using any type of word that he is living in Chakia, clear? That is also right answer. If he is saying that any type of school, any type of ABC school, clear? This is also right answer. Just think about that. What is the differences here? Different types of answers are there, but what is the difference here? Just think. All of the answers are right. All of the answers are right. But look at what is the exact answer. The exact answer, accurate answer is ABC school. Clear? Understood? This is read in coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry told about that what is the exact location of anyone. Clear? I am repeating that coordinate geometry shows the exact position or location of anybody or anything or any person. Clear? Just think about that. This is the purpose. This is the purpose of coordinate geometry. We are using the coordinate geometry to denote the location. Now look at how can we denote? How can we denote? So just think about that. The whole space means, look at the whole space is based on two types of axes. The whole space is based on two types of axes, x-axis, clear, and y-axis, clear, x-axis and y-axis. So look at there. To represent, we are using to represent any type of point, we are using two types of axes, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. What is the basic concept of What is the basic concept of it? That we represent any type of point according to the x-axis and y-axis. Without it, we cannot represent. But look at there, x-axis and y-axis both are combinedly, means both are combined and both are combinedly saying that coordinate axis. Clear? Just to think about this is the coordinate and geometry, and the axis which is used to represent things or point, that is known as coordinate axis. Clear? This is called coordinate axis. Clear? Now look at clear x-axis has another name. Clear? X-axis has another name. It is also called horizontal line. Clear? One name horizontal line, the another name x-axis, and another name abscission. Clear? Abscission. Clear? Y-axis, that is also known as vertical line. Clear? And that is also called, this is called vertical, y-axis is known as vertical line. This is also called ordinate. Clear? This is called x-axis is known as abscission and y-axis is known as ordinate. What is ordinate? Clear? This is, according to this one, we will have to represent both of the axis. Clear? Then we will have to think about that without the coordinate axis we cannot represent anything. Clear? Now look at, we are going to understand the terms related to axis. Look at that. When we are going to represent any type of point, we need a plane. Clear? This plane is known as Cartesian plane. This plane is known as Cartesian plane. In the NCERT book and the another helping books are providing to you, and you are reading the different types of terms. These terms are going to be clear. The first of all, the one term is that one, what? Axis. One term is known as axis. I have already clear axis. How many types? X-axis and y-axis. Clear? This is called abscission. This is called ordinate. Clear? And both are called known as coordinate axis. Clear? And after that, you just think about that axis, coordinate axis. After that, you will have to think about that what there is that plane. This is known as Cartesian plane. Clear? This one what we are drawing. Clear? This makes a plane. This plane is known as what? This plane is known as Cartesian plane. Clear? X-axis. Clear? And this one is known as y-axis. Now look at, there is the initial point. This is the initial point. Clear? Which is represented. Clear? This is called origin. All of you know what origin means? From where which is started. Clear? जहाँ पर से स्टार्ट होती है कोई भी चीज, उसे कैसे कहते हैं? ओरिजिन कहते हैं. Clear? There means the x-axis is started, y-axis is started, so this is called origin. Clear? Now look at there. We can write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Look at origin. What is the I told you about that. Clear? When we are going to represent, at that time we need to represent in two axes. In the geography. Now we are moving to geography. Something we will have to read about that. In the geography, we are using both things, latitude and longitude. Clear? In the geography, we are reading about that latitude and longitude, which describe the accurate position of anything. Same to same, in the coordinate geometry, we are using x-axis and y-axis to represent anything. Clear? So just think about that. If there is this is known as Cartesian plane. I told you about that. This is known as Cartesian plane. This plane is this is in the plane. This plane is known as Cartesian plane. Look at the x-axis and y-axis. So just think about that. Origin. What is the position of x? X is also 0. Clear? Y is also 0. Clear? So anyone is asking that what is the coordinate x? Coordinates. This is known as, these are called the coordinates. These are called the coordinates. These are called the coordinates of origin. Coordinates of origin. Clear? So therefore, how can we represent on this one? How can we represent on this one? So just think about that. If there is written example, there is written -1 plus 1. -1 plus 1. So just think about the x. This is always first one is x, second one is y. Clear? The order. What is the order? Order, first of all, listen. Order is always x and y. Always x first and y second. Clear? X is always keep first and y is in the second. Clear? Therefore, just think about the example in -1 plus 1. X is -1. X is -1 where? Here. Clear? And y is plus 1 where? There. Just think that you will have to draw points, and after that from this point. Clear? These are joining on this point. Clear? This is known as -1 and plus 1. Clear? This is known as a point, and clear, this is the value of a. Clear? This is according to this one we can represent this. If another one is 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3. The first one is known as x, second one is known as y. First one is known as x, second one is known as y. The first one is known as 4, the 4 here, and second one minus 3, the minus 3 here. So you will have to draw dots here, and from there also dots here. Clear? And this one point is known as 4. First of all x-axis, after that y-axis. Clear? After that, if anyone is given there 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Look at that. First one is x, second one is y. First one is x, second one is y. The 2 here, look at x1, x here 2, and y -1 here. Clear? After that, we can draw there. Clear? Now look at 2 and -1. There we can represent here. Clear? This is plus 2 minus 1. Clear? According to this one, we can represent different types of numbers. Clear? Now look at, there is a scientist mathematician which is known as René Descartes. What is the name? René Descartes. His lifespan is from 1596 to 1650. Clear? He has contributed the different types of important topics in coordinate geometry. You will have to read something about this one. Clear? Now look at, we will have to start completing this one. Clear? The first of all, we are going to start exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1, what is going to be started. Clear? That there only 2 questions are there, and there is nothing in the both of the questions. How can we represent this one? So just think about that. What is the question is being asked, so we can solve this one. Look at that. Question is saying that exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Look at there. How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? Clear? How? So look at that. First of all, we are drawing a study table. And there is lamp. Look at that. There is a lamp. Clear? How can we represent? I told you about that. This horizontal axis is known as horizontal axis is known as what? X-axis. So this can be considered as x-axis. So this is also considered as x-axis. Okay? And vertical line or axis is known as y-axis. Clear? This is the vertical line. This is known as, just think about it, this is L, there is A there, according to this. Clear? So you will have to measure there. If it is 5 centimeter, cannot decide it because we don't know. You can write also x also. Clear? And this one is, it may be possible that 10 centimeter. It may be possible y. Clear? Because this is related to the y axis. Just think about that location of land will be x, y, maybe 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Clear? It is not decided. Why? Because we don't know what is the accurate position. Clear? According to this one, because someone has a big study table, someone has a small study table, someone has means putting the lamp to the right side, to the left side, any side. Clear? According to this one, the location will be changed. Therefore, we can decide what is the question, what is the means purpose of the question. The purpose of the question is that we will have to only decide that how can we decide what we have to decide, that what is to decide the location. What is the decide location? How can we decide? That we can measure the x-axis and the value of y-axis, that can decide the location of the lamp. Clear? Now look at another question. This was the first question, question number 2. Clear? And there was nothing in this both of the question. Clear? And this is not important. Very clear, very easy question. You will have to only explain. It means these questions are only giving you to understand the basic concept of anything, to find out its location. Clear? A city has two main roads which crossed each other at the center. A city has two main roads, clear, which cross each other at the center of the city. So look at this, center of the city. Clear? Center of the city. Clear? These two roads are along the north-south direction. Along the north-south direction. North-south. Look at there. There is the east. There is the west. There is the north. And there is the south. Clear? North-south. Look at there. And the two roads are along north-south direction. North-south direction. Clear? After that, east-west direction. Clear? After that, all the other streets of the city run parallel to the roads are 200 meters apart. There are 5 streets in each direction. Use 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meters. Draw the model of the city on your notebook. Represent the roads by single lines. Clear? Just think about how can we represent this one. We will have to only draw the first of all. Clear? We will have to only draw. Look at that. Clear? How can we represent? Then we will understand this is the location. Clear? But we will have to, like when we are going to use the map, we are zooming. Clear? We are zooming. Clear? In this we will have to decide that how can we represent. So just think about that. We will have to only represent in 4 of the axis, not only some part of the axis. Clear? Whole axis, not only some part of the axis. Therefore, we can choose how can we represent. Clear? Look at this. If we are writing, clear, we can written here. Here is students, east, there, west. There north, there south. Clear? We can write here now another one, because this was in the center, but when we are zooming, then north, south, north and south. Look at that. If we are, because we will have to represent only upper side, clear, west and east. Now look at how many. According to this one, we are saying that we will have to decide different types of streets. Clear? The only 5 streets we can represent. So just think about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same to same. 1. Look at there. Street number 1. Street number 2. Street number 3, street number 4, street number 5. Clear? I told you about that different types of different types of these one are using. Clear? Now look at this one is known as street number 1. Clear? Because crossing, this one is crossing with this one. Clear? Both are crossing with each other. 3 now 4 and this one 5. Now look at this one is known as, how can we represent? So just think about how can we represent. Everyone is representing. Look at there. Now look at this one 1 5, this one known as 2 5, this one is known as 3 4, this one is known as 4 4 3, this one is known as 5 2. According to this one we can decide anyone's location. Just think about that. 1 here the 1 5, 1 4 the 1 4, 1 3 the 1 3. Look at there. 1 5 1 1 4. Clear? So just think about that. How can we write this one? Clear? Look at there. We can write according to this one. Clear? According to this one we need to represent anyone's according to this one as much as streets and the center and exact position you need to find out. You can decide the x-axis and according to the y-axis. Clear? I read all means I request all of you that you will have to just think about that. You will have to use clear both of the questions to understand clearly. And look at there we can making this one, but this was according to this one. So we are using x-axis according to this one. Clear? And this one according to y-axis. Therefore we have written, clear, means this figure was according to this one, this mode according to this one, this was the x-axis. After that first one, clear, there is second, after that then we are using. Clear? I request all of you try to solve this question. Thank you.